a real-life monkey and alligator crocodile adventure hunt. Here we go! Blast off! It's going to be a wonderful adventure to the jungle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are in the air. The skies are clear and the sun is out. We have our pilots, and I can't wait to see what kind of things we will see in the jungle. Maybe we will see a waterfall. Now we are looking for a place to land the airplane in the jungle. We will see monkeys and alligators and crocodiles in real life. Real life in the jungle may be different from what you think. Now we are going to land the airplane. Brace yourselves. We made it. We landed. I see so many other explorers. You should always have a buddy with you when you go on adventures. Time to go. Let's explore the jungle around the globe. We're walking over a bridge and I see monkeys and alligators. The alligators can walk on land and they can swim in the water. Alligators are very powerful. Alligators have big, long tails. They walk a little bit slow. Bye, Mr. Alligator. See you next time. These monkeys will have all sorts of different colors, and they eat different things. These monkeys are eating leaves on the tree and jumping around on the tree. They are swinging and playing. How silly. This monkey has great big teeth and fuzzy gray fur. He's tired. This monkey has a big nose. And he is red and brown and gray. He is sitting in a tree. This monkey wants to swing and play. This monkey has a long, skinny tail and also has long arms. This monkey has a friend. They can swing in the tree together now. This alligator is hungry. He has a big mouth and big, old, dull teeth. He closed his eyes and he's waiting for food. This monkey has a baby. Hi, baby monkey. What a sweet baby monkey and her mama. They are sitting on a rock. These monkeys are small. They have small faces and small ears. This baby and mama live in a sanctuary. They are climbing the trees and they are helping itch their heads and the baby is sleeping. The monkey families take care of each other like you and me. This monkey is eating more leaves and hanging upside down. This monkey has a long, skinny tail, but this monkey is very big. They are very strong, and they can climb trees very fast. This alligator is sleeping. He looks very old. This monkey has different colors on his face, like red and blue. He has a very long nose, and his nose looks like a snout. He is eating with his muzzle and itching his chin with his hand. This looks like a baboon from The Lion King. This movie, they want to sleep and take a nap. Good night, little monkeys. Good night, little monkeys. Good night, little monkeys. Good night. This monkey has a small black face and fuzzy orange fur. She also has a little white. These monkeys are sleeping on a log in the water. They have red faces. This alligator is covered in green algae. His yellow mouth makes him look very hungry. And this monkey is hungry too. He found a piece of corn. Yummy, yummy corn. The monkey has hands like us. This little baby monkey is going to eat some food. Where is the food for me? He says. I like to eat, eat, eat. I like to eat. Do you like to eat snacks too? Bye, little baby monkey. This alligator's eyes are going to open. Wow, the alligator has eyes on top of his head, and this monkey is eating a snack. His ears are very big, and his foot is very big too. How neat! I wonder what the monkey is thinking about. These monkeys look like they live by the water. These monkeys are orange, dark brown, and they have small black faces. I wonder what kind of monkey this is. There are so many. This alligator is swimming in the water. The alligator is going to go under the water. He disappeared. I see him. These monkeys are black and white, and they have yellow eyes and small, long snouts. They have big, bushy tails. This monkey is eating a coconut fruit. Maybe that's not a coconut, but monkeys do like coconuts. Can you say coconut? This monkey is going to find a leaf. The monkey is balancing on the branch. This mama monkey is keeping her baby warm. Hi, mama monkey. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. This alligator is hiding in the lake. It is covered in green algae. You can see it breathing. His throat is moving in the water. He is waiting for food. This monkey has an itch on his ear. It has little hands and a little tail and a little head. This monkey is going to watch for more food and search with his eyes. The alligator is waiting for food, and then it will snap his mouth when there is food nearby. Mr. Crocodile. Crocodiles and alligators have scaly, bumpy, rough skin, and this monkey has soft, furry fur skin. All animals like to eat food, and they live in the wilderness. The wilderness can be a dangerous place. Make sure you are not alone. This orangutan is stretching. That is a big orange monkey standing on 2 feet. He moves with his hands and his legs jump around. This monkey is very fast and has the longest tail of all. Wow, he is hungry too. These monkeys are making me hungry. The crocodile is sneaky, swimming in the water. These monkeys are together because it is a mama and a baby. Stay by me, baby. Let's go. These big monkeys like to sleep in the water. They are taking a bath. The crocodile looks like he is smiling. Can you smile and say, "Hello, Mr. Crocodile"? Hello, Mr. Crocodile. How are you? The monkey found some lettuce. There is another baby. The baby is behind the leaves. The monkey with the big nose found some food. He is eating leaves too. I like his nose. I wonder what kind of monkey has the biggest nose. This monkey has good balance. Balance is making sure that the monkey does not fall down. The crocodile is going hunting for a snack. Watch out, little monkeys. Be careful, monkeys. The crocodile is hungry. Hungry, hungry crocodile. That is a big tail. This monkey has big hands and a big mouth. And this monkey likes to swing from the branch. We are learning a lot about monkeys in the jungle and alligators and crocodiles in the jungle too. This is real life monkeys and real life alligator and crocodiles' lives. This is real life. The crocodile is swimming. Sneaky, sneaky, and very quiet. They can swim and walk on land. I see one monkey sleeping, and the other monkey is waking her up. Wake up, little monkey friend. Wake up. The other monkey says, "Let me sleep. I'm tired." And this baby is eating from her mama. She is drinking milk from her mama monkey. The mama monkey is waiting for her baby to finish drinking the milk. There is a coconut. This monkey is playing with a coconut that fell on the beach. This alligator is waiting for a monkey. He's going to snap up and eat the monkey. Oh no. But the alligator has to eat something. He will wait for a long time. These monkeys have skinny white tails. There are so many colors. What are these monkeys doing? The monkeys are brushing each other. That is a big white monkey. This monkey found fruit. This monkey is eating a banana. Fruit is a very good food for monkeys, and alligators and crocodiles like to snack on the monkeys. This orangutan is very big. Orangutans are also very smart. They are eating fruit. They are very, very big. The orangutan male has the biggest face of all. The mama gorilla ape loves to take care of her baby in a tree. They are chimpanzees too. The alligator got some food and he went snap, snap, snap. The alligators are going to fight for more food. Alligators and crocodiles are very dangerous. You want to be very still and very quiet. And the monkeys are very loud. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. The monkeys are all together on the rock, soaking in the sun. Sitting in the sun gives you vitamin D. These monkeys are playing in the sun. Pow, pow, play with me, play with me. Come on, let's play. Bye-bye, Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me. This is a baby alligator with a little head and little arms and little feet. These monkeys are very playful. They like to run very fast. This crocodile egg hatched. The baby crocodile was born. This alligator wanted to walk out of the water. I wonder if the other alligators will follow. They did, and now the alligators are going to climb back into the water to swim and wait for food or go to sleep. This baby is hanging on to her mama monkey. This is how the baby monkey walks with her mama. The mama walks on the bridge and the monkey hangs on tight. Don't let go. The mama monkey will always protect her baby, just like you. Hang on to your mama. Have a good day. This alligator is going to jump out of the water. His body is very scaly and rough and big and sharp, and that is an enormous tail. How many alligators do you see? They jumped for the food. Snap, snap. Thank you for watching Teaching Happy Kids. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and enjoy your day.